What is going on YouTube? I wanted to follow up on the S30 game console where it would not properly locate the microSD card on it. I took it apart in another video which I will upload eventually. I am not good at editing. I just pretty much just do these on my Huawei Mate 10 Pro because it's super easy. I push a button, after I'm done I upload it to YouTube. I am a very simple man. I took this apart on my previous video that you may or may not ever see and discovered that there was a culprit. It is the 594280202007 3.7 volt 2600 milliamp, or I don't know, a milli, I don't know, battery. Anyway, if you can look right here, I'm gonna stand up so I can make sure you can see this. There is actually a hole in this battery. It's a little thick, it's a thick boy, but that is essentially what happened. It actually leaked battery acid onto the motherboard, which was actually directly where, if you look at it like this, it's directly where the memory card slot is. And apparently this is not the only one in existence with this problem. I think I'm the only person making a video about it though. So I reached out to Retromimi. They said pretty much pound sand, we can't ship a battery. You can go buy a battery and we'll refund you, but wouldn't provide me any kind of resources on where to buy this besides like some websites I'm not familiar with. So I'm dead in the water right now. Can't use it. I will not plug it back up and have this thing go 4th of July. So if you have that problem of the memory card, micro SD card not being recognized, that's likely what it is. So, or at least it was for me. Hope this helps, and I'm going to go recycle this battery. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.